Alright guys, here's the add-on to last video. This is part 2 of the third goose hunt. We ended up killing, actually I'm not going to tell y'all what we ended up killing. Y'all stay tuned to see what we ended up killing. But it was a good hunt, so y'all stay tuned to see what happened.
Kill him behind you. I killed that one.
I killed that. I killed that
Y'all
one.
about to let him get away. Huh? You gonna break? You gonna break? Kill him! Charlie. Hey. On the right side of the block. Straight up, kill him! You hit it again. Make sure he's dead.
Hey, Phil.
Huh?
Hey, Phil.
Straight up! Behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you!
Behind the float. Kill him! Good God.
I got a really good video.
I did too.
Oh, get him, get him.
I didn't know we never did.
Oh, there's the Ross goose tater. Turkey shoots that one walking.
Everywhere.
Turkey shoots that one walking around.
How many were you?
I don't know.
Holy shit, look way out there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
One behind
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Think about that, Billy.
For the big group for the one time.
A long time from the last time.
For the one time I had it all on my GoPro.
Kill him! Kill him!
If we can get up and fly when Bosco gets him.
Here, Jill. Take my gun.
Take my gun.
He's right there.
Hey,
All right, let's pick these up, Stuart.
All right.
Look at that.
Run him down. Jump on him.
There's one way out there standing up.
Damn.
It's a good time right there.
Tay, there's a blue in front of you running.
Oh, right there, you're getting up.
Good shot.
I was about to say, we all gonna see how Trey shoots. Yeah, I know that.
No, we got a speck about. I think that was from earlier. Deal. Another big wad of snow. Hey, y'all getting a blind? Come on.
Golly, brisket.
That's what you like to see.
They eating like hell.
Oh, yeah, they are.
All right, guys. Forward the decoy. Three. Let's go.
I stood up. I couldn't see him. I had to shoot just to get him to jump up. I think that was the only time I shot too.
Maya, get him! Get him!
The outside, that goose
Knock that
knocked
snow
over
off
the
the
outside
stand.
before.
I know there was like the brother.
Well, that's gonna be it. That was a good hunt. I think we ended up killing 48 that hunt. We killed mostly snows and we killed a few specks. Definitely can't complain about that. We had a good time while we were out there. We went with Southern Spec Outfitters. If y'all are looking for somewhere to go, that's a good place. We killed 111 geese in 2 days. So, I mean, not 2 days, 3 days. So you can't complain about that. I just thank y'all for watching, and y'all like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.